Hello YouTube, in this new video we'll try to fix this error. Please delete. Okay. Then you have to check your time. Make sure you have the correct time. Click save. And then click F10. As it shows here. Save and exit. F10 and click enter. Okay, for those who are looking for another method is for looking for above 4G decoding. All you have to do is go for search, type 4G, just type 4G, click enter. Okay, yeah, or go for advanced method, F7, advanced, and PCE subsystem settings, and here you find it, above 4G decoding, enable, and then click F10. For those who cannot enter BIOS, we have to reset the BIOS. Okay, we need to remove the CMOS. To do that, you need to disconnect the power cord from the AC power, remove the CMOS for 1 minute to 5 minutes, and press the power for 10 seconds. And hopefully this will work for you. I hope that video will solve your problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a great day.